Welcome back. Konkan Railway Corporation is celebrating its 22nd anniversary on 15th of October. Managing Director B.P. Jayal expressed that frequent landslides have disrupted Konkan Railway services in the recent past, causing loss to the corporation. Jayal also informed that Madgaon Railway Station would be converted into a world-class destination.
Our foundation day that we every year celebrate on 15th of October. Since last 2 years, we have started coming to both the regions also, Madgaon as well as Ratnagiri, before our final function that is at the corporate office on 15th. So today we are celebrating our foundation day here, and then tomorrow we'll have it at Ratnagiri.
Major revamp of Madgaon railway station is on cards.
There has been a demand to have this Madgaon station as a world-class station. So this is the step in that direction to have commercial space, what is available to us, exploitation of that under PPP and do it. Our model is getting ready. By January, I think we'll be able to have the expression of interest, and then we can start developing this Madgaon station.
Jayal says landslides have been a major headache for Konkan Railway recently.
We are experiencing monsoon or the rainfall 150 mm in 24 hours. With this was not so about 5 years back. The monsoons were more spread out throughout the monsoon season. Now we are having very short, very heavy monsoon or the rainfall, and then a dry period. And this very heavy monsoon, this year also at least 3 times we had the disruption.
Our reporter from Madgaon, Ramesh Naik Raut.
A full-scale mock tsunami drill was conducted by UNESCO on Wednesday. The drill was aimed at testing the tsunami warning systems in the region. The drill was supposed to involve all the coastal areas in India. However, the Goa government was not aware of such an important drill.
A mock tsunami drill was held in 20 countries in the Indian Ocean on Wednesday. The ocean-wide drill was aimed at testing the Indian Ocean tsunami warning and mitigation system and was organized by UNESCO's Intergovernmental Oceanographic Commission. This full-scale exercise also aimed at evaluating the system's operational capacity, the efficiency of communications, and the state of preparation of national emergency services. Therefore, it was all the more important. A tsunami alert was sent to all the disaster management offices of coastal states in India on Wednesday morning, but government officials in Goa were unaware of this important exercise. NIO too were not aware of this drill, and neither were the police. The test included the evacuation of some coastal communities in several countries, including some villages in states like Pondicherry and Maharashtra and some union territories. During the drill, the warning generated and issued 15 tsunami bulletins through GTS, emails, fax, SMS as well as web. This exercise is being held almost 7 years after the devastating tsunami of 2004. The scenario established for the exercise IO Wave 11 reenacts the events of 26 December 2004 with a 9.2 magnitude earthquake off the northwest coast of Sumatra in Indonesia, followed by an ocean-wide tsunami. This simulated wave will cross the Indian Ocean in 12 hours to strike the coast of South Africa. Until now, bulletins are being issued to 28 Indian Ocean nations by the Japan Meteorological Agency and Pacific Tsunami Warning Center. They will continue to provide this service until the end of 2012, at which time an evaluation of the new regional advisory service will be carried out. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
World's leading bathroom brand Roka has opened its store in Panji. Roka proposes to provide Goans with finest international bathroom accessories. Roka also plans to export bathroom accessories from India.
Roka Bathroom Products Private Limited recently opened its first store in Goa. Roka Stores lies at Governor Pestana Road in the heart of the Panji city. The store was inaugurated by Panji MLA and Leader of Opposition Manohar Parrikar. Roka's Head of Sales and Customer Relation R. Parthasarthi GCCI President Mangirish Pairaikar and Anup Bhobe and others were present for the launch of the store. The store has all required bathroom accessories from covering sanitary wares to tap and fittings. Roka imports most of its products from its factories across the world, but they plan to also export its products from India in future.
Today I am here in Goa to inaugurate this showroom, which is a 225th showroom for us in India. This showroom basically has got products, you name it, in a bathroom, that is covering sanitary ware and taps and fittings. We strongly believe in providing a complete bathroom solutions to the customer, and in line with that, this will be an apt place for any family to come and choose to convert their bathroom into a personal space or kind of a glam rooms. Right now we are concentrating on the Indian market. As such, about Roka is world's #1 brand, and we have factories in about 65 countries. We operate in about 135 countries and 65 factories. Right now for the Indian market, about 30% we manufacture here and 70% we import. Over a period of time, we have plans to export from India also.
Our video journalist from Panji, Shan.
Sangay municipality is all set to have its second Nagar Sabha. The Sabha will be held on 18th October. Chairman of Sangay municipality claims that most issues raised in the last Nagar Sabha are sorted out.
The municipal council took this decision in the meeting held in Sangay municipality. The first Nagar Sabha was held 5 months back. Chairperson of Sangay municipality, Sanjay Raikar, claims that most of the problems raised in the last Nagar Sabha have been sorted out.
सांगे म्युनिसिपालिटीची दुसरी नगरसभा 18 तारखेक 10:30 वरांचेर सांगे म्युनिसिपालिटी घेता. जर तुमकां कोणाकय कितें ऑफिसांत कोणी करप्शन चलता किंवा कोणी कावन्सिलर काम करना त्रास करता, कोणी ओपोजिशन म्हणून आपल्या कुशी दवरला, कोणाक कितें सजेशन आसा जाल्यार ती हांगा येवन तुमच्या सरळ मांडपाक जाता.
Raikar also thanked Chief Minister Digamar Kamath for a new civil registration office in Sangay. A reporter from Sangay, Mayur Naik.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.